Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to animate text in your Instagram Reel. So this is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, we are going to go and need an Instagram application on our mobile phone to be able to animate our text. So go to the App Store and download it if you haven't already. And once you have gotten your application, you can go ahead and open it up. So after opening it up, normally you can go ahead and log into your account from which you want to upload the Instagram Reels from. So go ahead and log into your account, after which you'll be greeted by the main page. So now we can get started with our Instagram Reels. So right here at the bottom of the page is the plus button. By clicking the plus sign, this is going to enable us to select the reel that we want to upload from your gallery. So let's go and select our video. And once you have selected your video for the Instagram Reel, it's going to look like this. So this is going to be your Instagram Reel there, where now we can get started. So as you can see right here at the bottom left corner is an option that says edit video. So if you want to edit your text and animate it, what you can click is edit video, and this is now going to open up this new menu with all the edit options that we have. So what you will notice, if we scroll down right here to the right at the bottom of the page, we're going to find an option that says captions, and captions is what we want to use for animated text. So you want to go and find the captions option right here. That's going to enable you to go and select captions, after which this is now going to transcribe your audio. So once your audio has been transcribed, it's going to add animated text right here to your video. Currently my video does not have any text in it, so I cannot see it, but as you can see guys right here, it's going to go and transcribe our audio and add the text to our part in the audio. As you can see right here, this is how it looks. So you'll be able to manage your text. You can put it wherever you want. It's going to go ahead and add the animations itself, after which you can click the edit option right here and manage everything, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.